Hi Gismar, how's it going? So last class we talked about how to do phone calls in English. Specifically, we talk about greetings. Do you remember? We talk about personal greetings and business greetings. Then we talk about the middle part of the call. We didn't talk about personal, but we talk about business middle part. So you practiced the pronunciation of all of these expressions. And now we're going to talk about the ending, okay, of a call. The ending. So let's talk first about a personal call ending. Listen and repeat for pronunciation. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Now remember the pronunciation of the K and S, sorry. K, S, Ks, and the DH. Thanks. Thanks. And then the pronunciation of the N and G. Calling. Calling. Thanks for calling. Then you have see you later. See you later. That one is easy. Then you have talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Then you have take care. Take care. Take care. Then you have a good one. Have a good one. And the last one is give me a holler if you need to. This means to give me a call back, okay? Or contact me. Give me a holler means contact me if you need to, okay? Give me a holler if you need to. Give me a holler if you need to. Great. Now let's go with the business endings of calls. Thank you for calling. Business name. Have a wonderful day. So in this case, the business name would be Linea Studio, right? Linea Studio. Okay. Thank you for calling Linea Studio. Have a wonderful day. Or thanks for calling Linea Studio. Have a wonderful day. Got it? You also have I appreciate your call. Please don't hesitate to call again if you need to. This is the same as give me a holler if you need to. Contact me if you need to. But formal. This is more formal than give me a holler. I appreciate. Now practice this word. Appreciate. I appreciate your call. Please don't hesitate to call me again if you need to. Aprecio su llamada. Por favor, no dude en llamar nuevamente si lo necesita. I appreciate your call. Please don't hesitate to call again if you need to. Now the third one is, I'm happy we could make this right for you. Have a great evening. I'm happy we could make this right for you. Have a great evening. The last one is for when the situation you can't solve the problem for a client. Okay? My apologies again from any inconvenience. Thank you for your call. My apologies, mis disculpas, again for any inconvenience. Thank you for your call. Great, excellent. So these are 4 ways to end a call, okay? The personal and the business one. So we're gonna do a practice, but in this practice we're not gonna do the personal, we're gonna do just the business call, okay? So for example, let's say someone is calling Linux Studio. So we're gonna go first with the greeting, okay? Greeting. Good afternoon, thanks for calling Linux Studio. This is Jazz. Middle part, business. How can I help you today, sir? And the ending. I appreciate your call. Please don't hesitate to call again if you need to. Got it? So please, you are going to write different approaches to calls. For example, you can write, starting with this one, hello, this is Jazz from Linux Studio. Is there something I can help you with? And then the ending, I'm happy we could make this right for you. Have a great evening, okay? So put together different approaches to callings, okay? And we're gonna practice them on the next lesson. Thank you so much, Esmat. I'll see you in the next class, okay? Have a good evening. Bye.